Welcome back. Cyclone Nilam in the southeastern parts of India has shown its distant impact on Goa too. Various parts in the state witnessed rain showers on Thursday. Wind speed of cyclone at Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coast was recorded at 100 km per hour on Wednesday night. Meteorological experts claim that the cyclone is cooling down.
The depression in the Bay of Bengal has intensified into a cyclone Nilam at Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coast. Though the directions were towards Goa and Karnataka, the lowering speed of the cyclone has ruled out possibilities of cyclone hit or gusty winds in Goa.
Because of its movement in the land, it is likely to weaken gradually. The rainfall belt itself may shift northwards, so the rainfall will gradually decrease as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned.
Goa witnessed rain showers on Thursday on the backdrop of Nilam cyclone. It was a bad weather day throughout. Met Department focus says bad weather may continue for next 24 hours with rain showers spread across the state. However, there is no specific weather warning issued for the fishermen.
Now as on today 8:30 hours, the system has become a depression and its position was in south interior Karnataka, near south interior Karnataka. So the system is a depression now and it will further weaken into a low pressure. There is no any warning here regarding some fishermen or because in sea there is no situation is so far good. There is no any problem. Only thing this weather will be there, some cloudy weather will be there and sometimes there may be some isolated rain or thunder showers also. Today also some rainfall has been recorded, some isolated rains have been recorded today and during next 24 hours also there is a possibility some isolated rain or thunder showers in some areas.
With Bureau Inputs, video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
A Nigerian has complained of assault by some locals from Vagator in the wee hours on Wednesday. Anjuna P.I. has registered a complaint of attempt to murder. The accused are at large and the victim is undergoing treatment at GMC.
A Nigerian national, Innocent Yum, is a player residing in Parra Bardej. On 31st 10 at around 7:45, he was in the evening. He was sitting in a shack, our shack restaurant at Ozre, Vagator. There, one Mr. Omkar, who is a resident of Shapura, along with his 7 to 8 people, assaulted him very badly with a chopper and glass bottles on his head and on his body. In this connection, we have registered a case of attempt to murder, writing and giving abusive words to the complainant. Presently, the accused are absconding. Their whereabouts are not known, and the complainant, the victim, is undergoing treatment in GMC.
A reporter from Vagator, Sham Sundar Fatte.
The pending work of NH-17B at Baina may take another 6 months or so to complete. After Supreme Court's intervention, state government will now fund the elevated road project at Baina and other costs will be borne by the MPT and NHAI. This was informed by the acting chairman of the MPT, Biplav Kumar.
The newly appointed Chief Secretary of the state, B. Vijayan, inspected the pending work of NH-17B at Baina. He was accompanied by the acting chairman of MPT, Biplav Kumar, and other officials. The pending work is expected to be completed by another 6 months.
The execution of the construction will be taken up by the state government, and the elevated road which state government has proposed for this area, the Baina Beach area, that will be funded by state government, and rest of the funding will be jointly done by NHI and MPT. With this highway coming up, 17B, the completion of this project connecting gate number 9 and gate number 1, I think the whole Mangor Hill area and 17A, that will be offloaded from traffic point of view.
And time frame, sir?
Time frame, we are in the process. It may take 6 months if we exert ourselves fully, but that will be a short time. It may take like 1 year also.
However, Chief Secretary B. Vijayan refused to comment on the project.
I have come only to see because the first time I am coming as Chief Secretary. I do not know what the issues are. To see, familiarize myself with what's happening, I have come. Nothing else.
But you are
nothing else. Nothing else.
Flyover completion.
That's all part of the schemes.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
All Saints' Day was celebrated across the state on Thursday. This is to celebrate the martyrdom of the known and unknown saints. This day is celebrated in honor of the saints. All the faithfuls attend the sermon as an obligation and celebrate in their homes.
All Saints' Day is a celebration of all Christian saints, particularly those who have no special feast days of their own.
These are they who have come out of the great tribulation. They have washed their robes and made them white in the blood of the Lamb. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Our response, such are the men who seek your face, O Lord. Such are the men who seek your face, O Lord.
Omkar Fulari for Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.